my name is Kat and I am the Liquor Fairy. Today is the 7th video in our series 12 Days of Holiday Cocktails. And for this video, we will be making the Berry Merry Christmas Martini. For this drink, we will have 4 ingredients: Decipher Razzmatazz, Fabrizio Limoncello, Grenadine, and the #1 selling vodka in America, Tito's Handmade Vodka. To start the drink off, we're going to pour 2 ounces of our Fabrizio Limoncello into our shaker. Then once that's added, you can add half an ounce of the razzmatazz to the shaker. Then just go ahead and add 2 ounces of our Tito's vodka. And once those are poured, go ahead and add some ice to the shaker. Then once the ice is in, tap your shaker and shake it up. After you've mixed those together, go ahead and strain it into your martini glass or whatever glass you decide to pour it in. This is the glass that I have tonight, so. Then layer the top with grenadine. For this, I will be using a big spoon instead of my normal layering spoon because this glass is pretty big. I don't actually know if this is going to work well, but I'm going to try it. And there you have it, the Berry Merry Christmas Martini. If you want to try out this recipe or any of the others from the 12 Days of Holiday Cocktails series, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the videos to come. Now chug. That was really good. I like drinking it more than I like wearing it, but I'm supposed to wear this to work on Christmas Eve and I just ruined it. It's okay, it's fine. I still have this one. I can wear this one. Twinsies.